Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start now by confirming your line and lure match. This prevents backlash and improves distance. Make sure the reel drag is set light so the line feeds smoothly. Hold the rod with a firm but relaxed grip and open the bail with your free hand. With your index finger, pin the line against the rod to keep the lure secured. Once done, bring the rod back to a 45 degrees angle behind you while watching for obstacles and prepare for the forward casting motion. You will accelerate the rod forward using wrist and forearm power. This gives accuracy and prevents fatigue. Begin the forward motion from the 10 o'clock position and release the line when the rod tip points at your target, which times the lure launch. Make sure to accelerate smoothly rather than jerk. A controlled explode of energy yields distance and accuracy. Follow through with the rod tip low and toward the water to flatten the trajectory, and immediately close the bail or thumb the spool to stop backlash if needed. You let the lure land and count 1 or 2 seconds to allow it to sink or settle, depending on presentation. Then retrieve slack slowly. When you feel a bite, set the hook with a sharp, confident lift of the rod to embed the point. Once hooked, keep steady pressure and adjust drag to tie your fish. If the line snarls, stop, open the bail, pull line free, and ready a knot if frayed. If backlash occurs, hold tension, trim, and rewind carefully before resuming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.